So you know there's a difference between a hog and a dog, right? A dog will sit outside and wait on his master. Even if the master did it wrong, it'll still wait on the master for something to eat. It'll obey the master. You know, and it takes a whole lot. That master got to really beat it and do it real bad before it snap back and really go against the grain. But not a hog. See, you hit a hog, you're going to have to kill it. You know what I mean? Because it's going to fight until there's no more life left in it. No one is sitting a bowl out in the woods. No one is sitting a bowl out in the wilderness for the hog. Nah, the hog got to figure it out. So if he's hungry, he got to get out there and go get something to eat. If he needs something done, he got to get out there and do it. You see what I'm saying? He's not worried about no master because he is the master of his destiny. Because a hog is wild. A dog is domestic. It can be tamed.